This is the 58 Elvira Thunderbird. I've been detailing up the underneath a little bit. And you see I weathered up the transmission a little bit there, and the drive shaft I had left it black. It's the black plastic, but I thought when I put that in with the transmission it looked a little strange, so I weathered that a little bit as well. And I just have to get the back suspension done, and I can start piecing this together. So I got a little bit of weathering on it, make it look a little bit used. And tried the bare metal foil using aluminum duct tape. Cut off a little strip. I bought some tools at Michael's, burnishing tools, and I managed to get some work done on the roof here. Got a little bit of trim on the sides, each side, and around the back. First attempt at bare metal foil using duct tape. Came out pretty well. So I did the windshields today. This is the rear windshield. It was a little scuffed up from being in the box. I dipped it in some Pledge floor polish. Came out, it's hard to tell, but it came out really clear. That's the rear windshield. It came out good. And reach over here. Here's the front windshield. Still maybe a little bit sticky. A little floor polish there, and there's not a mark on it. I'll get them mounted in the frames now.